Areas affected: Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Northampton County, and Southeast Virginia. Temperatures dropping quickly to around freezing by mid-evening, with exception to areas right along the immediate Chesapeake Bay and ocean. Impacts: freezing temperatures will likely damage or kill sensitive plants. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Repeating, a freeze warning has been issued from 0800 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 0800 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday for the following counties in Virginia: Norfolk/Portsmouth, Northampton, and Virginia Beach.
Wow.